5.3 862 cylinder head, and it has 1, 2, 3 broken bolts. I'll be using my welder. I already got some washers here. I'm going to do a little bead and get that bonded, and then later put a nut on there. All those bolts out, and those threads are just cherry. Look at that. These 3 amigos are going in the trash. That's just a little short one for you today. If you want to see me machine on a Mini Cooper block, there'll be a link right down below. Click on it. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.